Keywords are the heart of Google Ads, and if you don't understand them, your campaigns won't work. In the next few minutes, I show you exactly what a keyword is, how it works, and why it matters more than anything. Hi, I'm Jasmin, and I help beginners learn Google Ads in a simple and practical way. If you want easy explanations without complicated terms, you're in the right place. Let's get started. So, what a keyword actually is. A keyword is a word or phrase that advertisers choose to match their ads with the terms their potential customers are searching for. To say it more easy, when you as a business choose a keyword in Google Ads, you're basically telling Google, show my ad when someone searches for this. An example can be fitness coach Sydney, that can be a keyword, or as well wedding photographer London, that can be a keyword as well. In Google Ads, your ads don't show randomly. They appear only when someone search matches your keywords. For example, you pick the keyword fitness coach Sydney and someone types exactly this into Google. Boom, so your ad can appear. So to symbolize this a little bit more, keywords are the bridge between you and your customer. Many people, they actually confuse keywords with search terms, but keywords are not the same than search terms. A keyword is the word or phrase you choose as an advertiser. The search term is the exact phrase the user typed into Google. For example, you choose the keyword fitness coach Sydney, but the user searches best fitness coach Sydney or fitness coach Sydney cheap. And this difference becomes super important when you optimize your campaign. Now I'm going to show you why keywords matter. I give you 5 reasons. First of all, they control who sees your ad. Good keywords attract the right people. I mean, keywords highly relevant to your target audience. Bad keywords, which are not relevant for your target audience, they attract the wrong people and waste your money. Reason number 2, they determine intent. Like they basically say how ready someone is to buy. For example, if someone types in fitness tips into Google, this is a low intent. But if someone is looking for online fitness coach prices, this is a high intent, so this keyword has a much higher chance to convert. Reason number 3, they decide your results. So if you pick the wrong keywords, you don't get any clicks and no sales or other conversions like email signups. You have a low click-through rate. And if you pick the right keywords, you get predictable results, you get qualified traffic to your website, higher CTR rates, increased conversions, and audience growth. Number 4, they affect your quality score. A high quality score means your ads are more useful and relevant to users. Relevant keywords that match your ads and landing page, they lead to higher quality scores, which Google rewards you with better ad positions and lower cost per click. So to say it easy, if you have a higher quality score, you have much lower costs. Last but not least, they influence your budget. So some keywords are cheap and some are extremely expensive. You choose what you want to compete for. For example, if you have competitive high-intent keywords like lawyer or insurance, these cost more per click due to the demand, while generic or more niche keywords, they are cheaper. So this allows businesses to strategically allocate budgets and balance the costs. So now I'm going to show you some types of keywords. You don't need everything today, but here is like the simple version. So there are some brand keywords. For example, Nike shoes would be a brand keyword. This is for people who are already looking for you because they type in your brand name into Google. Then you have generic keywords like running shoes. These are the keywords for the more broad audience. As well, you have competitor keywords. For example, Adidas running shoes. This you can use for for a more advanced strategy. So now I show you where you enter keywords in Google Ads. So to show you where you enter the keywords, I created a test campaign here. So here you could get actually keyword suggestions from Google. You would post in your landing page here, or you can enter products or services to advertise, and then you would click get keyword suggestions and Google gives you automatic suggestions. This is not always ideal, so the ideal thing is that you did a keyword research and you know exactly which keywords are fitting for you. So you would enter the keywords here. So for example, we can type in fitness Sydney or best gym Sydney, something like that. And as well, you can type in the keywords in different match types. For example, we could put them here, but for the match type, I will give you a separate video. To finish the video, I would like to give you a simple rule for beginners. Pick keywords that describe exactly what you offer. Not broader, not fancier, just very, very precise. For example, if you're an online English tutor and you focus on beginners, a good keyword would be online English tutor for beginners. A bad keyword would be English or just English tutor, because these keywords are too broad. If this video helped you to understand what keywords are in Google Ads, feel free to subscribe for weekly beginner-friendly videos. I keep everything as simple as possible.